Okay, hi people of 300. Today you're gonna learn something you haven't learned before from someone you haven't learned before. Something that is like not ordinary. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you about freelancing, the things that nobody teaches you because I'm that nobody. That was a great joke, by the way. So let's jump into it. If you don't have 5 minutes, what I'm about to show you, then you can clearly watch the Kerry Minati stream. It already he's killing zombies or stuff like that, and you can clearly watch that, or you can watch this video in which I will tell you how to become freelancer and how to like figure things out so that you don't stress yourself out and there's no pain and suffering involved. I will try to minimize your suffering if you are like willing to watch this video till the end. How to start freelancing? The first question arises, why to start freelancing and who are you? So basically, let's go to the whiteboard. And so, अब कोई मजाक नहीं. So basically, who are you, man? Who are you? Question mark. Know yourself. And why do you want to start freelancing? There are lots of careers available for you. You can start a job, you can go on a government route. In India, there are a lot of options available, man. Why are you starting freelancing in India? One benefit of freelancing in India is that if you get US clients and UK clients, you get 60 times the amount of money that you get here. So that is the like main leverage point people start freelancing. But other than that, I think you should really consider why should you start freelancing and how much are you going to devote your time to freelancing. This is very important stuff. Before I start jumping on how to start freelancing, you should really know yourself. Are you built for freelancing? Like, have you watched any of these people's videos in which they say like, Curious Harish is my favorite. He says that to start freelancing, you first have to get clients. Okay, no, you don't have to first get clients. And he also says that you don't have to work for free. Don't work. Okay, so man, you have to work for free. You have to work for free to build your cadence, to build everything inside of you. You have to work for free. And if you are a college student, I believe you are a college student, man. That's why you're starting freelancing. That is the whole like culture right now. Everybody is starting to do freelancing and startups and everything like that. So, do you wanna really start freelancing? And one, I would like to share one timeline with you. It really takes about 3 years to really get good at freelancing. Not actually good. I mean, you're earning good that you will be earning in a corporate job or a business. Let's put business aside. We are not talking about that. Sorry. And if you're thinking of short term कि मेरे को तो अभी के लिए करना like 2-3 महीने freelancing कर लेता हूँ. No man, this doesn't work like this. You cannot like 3 months freelance and not freelance at all for your life. You basically need to devote time at least 2 to 3 months to learn the skills. After that, you have to devote your time in working for free for clients. After that, you have to like hit clients, pitch to clients. You have to learn all the psychology and sales stuff. That will be very very helpful for you in the future. Of course, freelancing के साथ एक चीज सीखने को मिलती है, वो होती है सेल्स. इससे खतरनाक सेल्स कभी नहीं सीखने को मिल सकती तुम्हें. So basically, you will learn sales. That is the most important thing in freelancing. Believe me. If there are no sales in freelancing, everything is tabha. There's nothing. Nothing exists without like sales in freelancing. So basically, I was saying you have to know yourself, man. What do you want to do? What is your long-term goal with freelancing? And if you're like thinking of like you have joined college and you're starting freelancing, that is very good for you, man. Very good. Like you have 3 years to like really master freelancing, 3 to 4 years, and it will be very beneficial for you. The second step comes, man, when you understand that it's an exchange of your time. So let me show you what do I mean by that. So you have limited time on this earth, okay, and you should not waste it watching videos like Kenny Minati's live stream. Okay, putting that aside, and T-series videos, and you know what I'm saying. OnlyFans. Okay, so you should not work for anyone, man, if you don't want to. Freelancing people think it's such a good deed to work for like your clients, but it's not good. It's very hard for you, man. It's very hard for me too. So you have limited time, man, and you have to exchange your time for the money they're giving you. So the clients give you money, you give them your time and the skill you're offering. Okay, so just be extremely cautious, and there comes an element with your time that you should be happy doing the stuff that you're doing with your time. Like the only metric that I need to tell you that is like measurable in freelancing is happiness, because because you have to devote your whole time into the freelancing stuff that you're doing. पूरा टाइम देना पड़ेगा, फ्रीलांसर बन गए तो क्लाइंट को पूरा टाइम देना पड़ेगा, हर चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी उसके लिए. बट इफ़ यू आर हैप्पी डूइंग इट, इट विल फील लाइक अ ब्लेज. नथिंग विल कम बिटवीन यू एंड योर वर्क. बट अगर तुमने खाली पैसे के लिए किया दोस्त, तो ये बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा फ्रीलांसिंग तुम्हारे लिए. लाइक द वर्स्ट डिसीजन यू एवर मेड. यू विल गो बैक टू स्टडिंग कॉलेज, सब स्टफ में क्लब्स ज्वाइन करना, घूमना वूमना. यू विल लाइक क्विट फ्रीलांसिंग. मेरे कई दोस्तों ने क्विट कर दिया. थर्ड ईयर में आ गया मैं, मेरे सारे दोस्तों ने क्विट कर दिया फ्रीलांसिंग. मेजरली लोगों ने क्विट कर दिया. बहुत पहले जोश आया था. तो and you should be like happy practicing that skill. So let it be coding, let it be graphic designing, let it be anything, copy, anything. Okay, you should be happy doing that stuff. Let it be marketing, let it be anything, man. You should be happy doing that stuff. That like this is the only metric of freelancing that matters actually. Now there is a very important concept that comes with the third point, is that people are not willing to do free work. And by free, what is this 3F? Okay, very bad drawing. Worst decision of my life. Okay, you should be willing to do free work, man. And by free, I mean you have to give something to the clients before you can ask. And major freelancing gurus will disagree with me, and they will think that I'm a loser, and they will think that you work for free. Working for free is for losers. But they have started out like the freelancer gurus you see right there, जिन्हें भी तुम देखते हो, these freelancing gurus have started way back before now. So now the situation is very different. The demand is very low and the supply is very high for freelancers. That is not a bad thing at all. That is not a very bad thing. Okay, that is not a bad thing. But these tactics don't work. Like you have to like pitch to the client, और तुम जाके चले जाओ कि ये मैं 10,000 रुपये लूँगा और ये काम करूँगा. नहीं, कोई भगा देगा तुम्हें, क्योंकि basically you have to prove that you're worthy of the money first to the client. And there are a lot of benefits to it. Like you get a certain type of network. Okay, you get a very good network working for these clients. They will refer you. Okay, man. So this is not a very bad deal to work for free. You have to work for free. Like the first 2 months you will learn the skill. The next 2 months you will work for free, and that is compulsory. That is not a like curious Harish ने कह दिया नहीं करना तो नहीं करना. This is like very you might think that, oh man, this is very hard, I cannot do this. But man, this is very good. Like if you can freelance effectively, you can travel the world. You can live anywhere you like heck you want. You can live anywhere you want, man, if you're a freelancer, and you can sustain it as long as you want. So this is not like pretty average stuff. This is good stuff. Like business owners don't have the luxury to travel. So keep this part in mind and be very willing to do free work, man. This is the best advice I could give you after my 2 years or 2.5 years of doing rigorous freelancing. Okay, the first 6 months in college I was doing like all sorts of weird stuff, but now I am like mainly in this stuff. So basically the fourth point is the most important point. Like for how long do you want to do this stuff, freelancing? Okay, now freelancing for most successful individuals, it is not a long-term thing. That is mainly a like a turning point in many careers. बहुत सारे लोगों में होता है कि long-term thing नहीं होती. This is not a long-term thing. You can check Varun Maya, you can check every freelancer out there. They transition into a full-time job because that is better, man. Full-time job is better. So you can transition into a full-time job, or you can build your own thing, your own business, But the main thing that I'm going to stress is that you have to have a long term plan with this. Now, why am I discussing the long term plan in the video of how to start freelancing? You should be like, तुम तो भाई सोच रहे होगे कि यार मैंने तो कही थी कि भाई मेरे को बस स्टार्ट करनी है, स्टार्ट करवा दो मेरी बस, बाकी मैं देख लूंगा। नहीं भाई, ऐसा नहीं होता। यू हैव टू थिंक लॉन्ग टर्म। लाइक मैं भी स्टार्ट करवा दूं, 2-3 क्लाइंट्स की टिप्स दे दूं, तुम क्लाइंट ले आओ, फिर अपनी बेइज्जती कराओ, क्या फायदा दोस्त? तो बेसिकली यू हैव टू थिंक लॉन्ग टर्म, and by long term I mean that what is the transition strategy? What will you transition into? A corporate job, of full time? I don't know how to type like how to write full time. A business? What is it? क्या है वो? Like what is your dream to transition? एक बहुत कम लोगों की ड्रीम होती है freelancing. They do this to like gain experience and exposure and like really see the world. They do freelancing, and if you really want to see the world and expose it to you, then you should really join freelancing. Don't do it for the money, because 6 महीने तक तो तुम्हें कुछ मिलेगा ही नहीं यार। This is true। और तुम्हें जो कहता है कि मेरे दोस्त मैं फ्रीलांसिंग सिखा रहा हूँ चैनल पे अपने, और मेरा ये इतना रिकॉर्ड है, और मेरे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो एक कोर्स जो भी है लिख लेके एक वीडियो देख के और फ्रीलांसिंग पहला क्लाइंट पकड़ा 24 घंटे में। दैट इज मैन प्योर बुलशिट। डोंट बिलीव दिस बुलशिट मैन। like run your common sense। like if you are a client, would you hire a person who वो वीडियो देख के आया यूट्यूब वीडियो की 24 घंटे में मैं वो बना दूंगा तुम्हें फ्रीलांसर, और तुम खुद क्लाइंट हो, तुम ऐसे बंदे को हायर करोगे? नहीं ना। That is the whole point in freelancing। You have to be worthy of the like work and the client। This is the best thing you can do in college। This is the best thing you can do, because you don't have any money and you don't have any like support, financial support, so you cannot do anything other than freelancing that will be profitable for you। And you don't have any experience, man। You can start a business from now, but you don't have any experience, and you should gain experience from the like this environment and gain some skills। Like freelancing is the gateway drug to entrepreneurship। Varun Maya says it। I highly abide by it। I started in it and I'm still doing it pretty like I have an agency। I help clients। Agency was basically made up of my 3-4 dost who like did freelancing, and we all do freelancing together, so we call it an agency। ठीक है? And the most important thing, the second most important thing that I should stress right now is how to learn these skills। like अब हो गया है कि भाई मेरे को करनी है, ठीक है, मैं समझ गया अब कैसे करनी है और क्या इसका कॉन्सिक्वेंस है और कितना मेरे को सोचना है इसके बारे में। अब मेरे को करनी है, तो करने पे आ जाते हैं। बेसिकली देयर आर सम स्किल्स यू नीड टू लर्न, एंड एक सर्कल होता है। आज मैं ड्रॉ करके रहूँगा सर्कल, मैंने कर नहीं पाया था पिछली बार। ओके, सर्कल 1 शिट, एलिमेंट्री स्कूल में ड्राइंग नहीं करेगी अभी। सर्कल 2, एक ही सर्कल का नाम सुना होगा, या तुम तो कॉलेज में हो, तुमने सुना होगा यार। हो ही नहीं सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता। और अभी कोविड में तो तुमने जरूर सुना होगा, जरूर, क्योंकि वीडियो देख रहे हो ना पूरे दिन। हाउ टू फाइंड योर पर्पस वाली वीडियो आती है क्रिस जो की, रेकमेंड होती है। मेरे को तो पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि क्रिस जो छोड़ो, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली बड़े लोगों की बात सुना करो, जैसे बिल गेट्स हुए, ये हुए, इनकी बात सुना करो। इनकी बात मत सुना। क्रिस जो हुआ, डैन लॉक हुआ, टाई लोपेज, इनकी बात मत सुना करो। कुछ बातें बढ़िया इनकी, बट इनके रूल से तुम लाइफ जी रहे हो, बहुत दिक्कत की बात है, बहुत दिक्कत की बात है, घनी दिक्कत। I was talking about how to acquire those skills, like those money making skills। Okay, so basically these are the 3 circles, and the first circle is the love circle। love circle, वो love की spelling गलत है। and the second circle is the which circle? The second circle is the what you are good at circle। like what you are good at, जो तुम्हें अच्छा जो तुम अच्छे हो जो काम करने में, इसे तुम्हारी स्किल once for all, once for final। इतनी सारी चीज़ें क्यों बता रहा हूँ मैं? क्योंकि ज़रूरी है।
मेरे को भी यही बतानी चाहिए थी किसी को यूट्यूब पे, पर कोई बताता नहीं है, सब 5 मिनट की वीडियो बनाते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट करते हैं ना सब। बाय ऑल मीन्स अगर तुम्हें एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए तो कैरी मिनाटी की स्ट्रीम बहुत बढ़िया चल रही है, देखनी चाहिए, बहुत बढ़िया स्ट्रीम है, बेस्ट 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 बंदा है, बस वो खुद अमीर बन जाता है और तुम रह जाते हो। तो थर्ड थिंग इज व्हाट इज द डिमांड इन द करंट मार्केट। ओके, तो दीज आर दीज थ्री थिंग्स, फिल कर सकते हैं थोड़ा। So these three things are very important, man. And the first thing is what you are good at, or this can be anything like content हो सकता है, content, content. Basically, the all the pages are written. Every word that is written on the internet is content. Every word. Now, don't ask me that content writing अलग होती है, article writing अलग होती है, नहीं. Every word, वेबसाइट में एक वर्ड लिखा गया, एड की कॉपी में एक वर्ड लिखा गया, कहीं भी वर्ड लिखा गया, दैट इज कंटेंट. नाउ सेकंड इज वेब. वेब की बहुत ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज हैं, ठीक है. तो बेसिकली वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग आ जाती है, लैंडिंग पेज डिजाइन आ जाता है, वेबसाइट एनीथिंग दैट हेल्प बिल्ड सिस्टम्स फॉर योर क्लाइंट्स इज कॉल्ड वेबसाइट. सिस्टम है, वेबसाइट इज अ सेल्स मशीन. क्यों कोई वेबसाइट लेगा तुमसे? क्योंकि बेसिकली यू आर बिल्डिंग अ सेल्स मशीन और अ ब्रांडिंग मशीन, वट एवर दैट बी. थर्ड थिंग्स कम इज वीडियो. Now, video is very important in marketing because it builds brand, it builds trust, and major players use video to market their businesses. By major players, I mean the big players. Like basically, the clients you will get from LinkedIn will be focusing on video very much, and because they know this type of things build their brand. Now, I'm not talking about the Peter McKinnon videos, like बहुत सारे एंगल से कट आ रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं शॉर्ट्स में, नहीं. I'm talking about video that is very parallel with the content, that is very parallel with the brand message, that is very parallel with marketing and overall advertising. Why does a business requires a video? For advertising purposes, nothing else. Okay, the fourth thing, the final thing comes is advertising. I missed one thing, man. I missed one thing, man. I think it is. Okay, let's forget it. Remind me in the comments down below if I missed something. There is content, video, art. First, let me discuss art. So basically, art comes in all forms. The basically art that is needed in today's society, in the www.worldwideweb base, is that you have to design killer graphics that hooks the customer's attention. That is the main thing. That can be in the form of brochures, websites, everything that is like visual is art. And you should be learning art if you have a click for art. Like, why am I telling you this? Is this because you have to find something you love. You might love art, you might love content, you might love website. Like many of my friends are coders and they love website designing, and I don't like website designing. I can design a website, but I don't like it. I don't like designing a website, but I can design it. So you have to figure out what you love in this three domains, in this 4 domains. The fourth is advertising. Advertising, you can say it is the master skill that you can learn, master skill that you can learn, but it is the hardest and the most riskiest skill you can learn because it requires money upfront. You have to be willing to learn many things like copy, marketing. You have to basically learn all the things that I've listed above. You have to know how to apply visuals, content, web, video. And this might be a long video, man. If you don't have time to watch it, you can watch literally hundreds of videos of Carrie Minati doing lots of like wonderful stuff. But I'm like carrying out my purpose. And so basically you have to learn copy, you have to learn different things, you have to learn Facebook ads, targeting, many different things. Facebook ads is just a framework. You have to learn human psychology. You have to read books, you have to read many things. Like this is the master skill that you can learn, and these all skills combined comes into advertising. Like why is a business coming to you? It is for increasing their own business, and for increasing their own business, what do they need? Advertising. Ghoom fir ke it is all advertising. They also need advertising, you also need advertising. Okay, so घूम फिर के they also need advertising. So you should learn that skill, and this is the master skill that you can learn. And once you have that skill, man, you can charge anything you want from the client. That there is no limit that the charges you can take. Like website में cap हो जाता है. Basically, website cap is like 2 lakhs for a website. That nobody is going to pay you more than 2 lakhs for a website, no matter how good the website is or how much. सच में कुछ नहीं होता. Basically, advertising में you can charge as much as you can. Like I have not charged 2 lakhs for your kind reminder. I'm a gentle person with a gentle marketing company with a gentle revenue. Okay, so I'm just telling you my first 2 years of stuff that I don't think people are telling me or telling anyone who started freelancing. They just make videos of stuff like that. By 5 things you should learn before starting freelancing, and this and this. Nobody tells you the truth, man. That you need to hear. That it is hard as fuck. It is hard as fuck to do freelancing in this environment. Okay, it is super hard, and if you don't love it, you will not do it. So let me take my example. I like video editing. Okay, I'm good at marketing. Okay, and there's a demand for advertising. So these skills perfectly combine into a triangle. Like marketing is needed in advertising. Okay, video is also needed in advertising. So basically, I'm fulfilling the whole circle. Okay, so you have to find a circle. एक पेन कॉपी उठा लो और इस पे सर्कल बनाओ अपना, देखो तुम्हें क्या चीज़ चाहिए. ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज फॉर यू. अगर ये तुम नहीं करते हो तो बेसिकली डोंट हैव अ शॉट, बिकॉज ये वीडियो देख के जो एक काम करेगा, दिस दैट पर्सन हैज अ शॉट. एंड मूविंग ऑन टू हाउ टू गेट क्लाइंट्स,
Like the most wondrous part in the part that people like बहुत
some people in the comment section will say like I was waiting for this part of the video for the like for ages, and this is the like most important part for people. Like अरे भाई, money, clients will give me money, I should like focus on only getting clients. And what is this stuff, like ये क्या होता है skill learn करना, what is this like bullshit? I should focus on getting clients, that will pay me. But I'm not gonna get you clients. I'm gonna tell you a way to get clients. Okay, so basically this is not a scalable way to get clients, but it will help you get your first client, a very good quality client. That I like tell people is that in शुरुआत में you have to get a very good quality client. ठीक है, तो basically the thing is called Fiverr. I know you people know that. Hold your horses, man. Okay, you know, let me type it, let me draw it. Okay, you know, Fiverr पे कोई वो स्कोप नहीं है मेरे दोस्त भाई.
every freelancer I meet, he says that he started out through Fiverr. Every good freelancer.
It taught them a very like valuable skill, that is clickbaiting, and that is selling your services. And Fiverr is extremely good at testing you that you can sell your services or not. At Fiverr, you don't win if you have the best service. You win on the basis of how you market your service, because it is not a direct response market. It is a basically you have to show yourself, and if people are sold on a gig, people will purchase your gig, no matter your reviews, no matter how much hard you worked for the gig or for the freelance, like for the whole thing. And basically I want to tell you that you should get your free first client through Fiverr. It does not require you to have any special sales skills, and this is a long term game, man. This is a long term game. Fiverr is a long term game, but you have to start with it. And you were saying to me, you were promising me, तो भाई कह रहा था मेरे से कि मैं तो 3 साल तक करूंगा. तो भाई थोड़ा सा मेहनत करनी, पेशेंस रखो भाई, पेशेंस रखो. होगा दोस्त, होगा. तो गिग प्लेस करनी है Fiverr पे. ठीक है, स्किल लर्न करके तुमने वेब डेवलपमेंट सीखा और वर्डप्रेस की स्किल बना दी, तुमने गिग बना दिया, और तुमने स्किल सीखी और वर्डप्रेस का गिग बना दिया. ठीक है, फिर वर्डप्रेस की गिग में यू हैव टू लाइक प्लेस सम एलिमेंट्स फॉर क्लिकबेट. लाइक यू हैव टू प्लेस, this must be some intrigue in your Fiverr profile, and that is you should show your face. You should click a video of you, and there should be a massive benefit here. Like I will show you in some Fiverr profiles. Like it will take me a minute. Okay, just bear with me, man. Okay, no, fuck you. Okay, I will show you for social media marketing. Basically, see, like this man has 50 reviews, and how clear is his profile? Like he says, basically he shows his picture like See, all the top earning people, they are showing their face, they are clearly mentioning what they will do, and you have to do this like this. ठीक है, इतना इसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है। और इसमें अगर तुम बना देते हो और 8-10 गिग बनाना, 1 गिग बना के मत छोड़ जाना, क्योंकि बेसिकली कंपटीशन है, तो तुम्हें 8-10 गिग बनानी पड़ेंगी। ठीक है, 4 गिग बनाओगे आ जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। 4 गिग्स, यू ओनली नीड 4 गिग्स, ओके। And basically, a very important thing that you will learn in Fiverr is that how to basically have a conversation and hold a conversation with these clients, okay. And this will be a very valuable skill for you, okay. And you can learn it in this like college time. You can work with the corporate people. This can do wonders for you, man. So you have to have conversation skills. Like, the first is know how to talk and how to make an offer. Like, basically people will click here and you will solve a problem of that, like, basically client is that you are there to solve a problem. You're not here to basically sell a service. There's a big problem in the market and your chota sa service is solving that problem, okay. And there can be multiple products or multiple angles to solve this problem, and that comes by defining that problem. So every time a new Fiverr buyer comes to you and says, I need to get a website, you first ask, why do you need a website? Okay. And you might get wonderful answers from that. You might get like, I want to increase my sales. Then you can say then you should run Instagram ads on your Instagram. So you're clearly to help people, not into buying them. Like, many of my clients from Fiverr, I do not take them, I only guide them, because they do not need influencer marketing, they need ads. They think they need influencer marketing. So you have to know how to create an offer, how to talk to them, how to get the problem solved in the market. This was all that I wanted to talk about, and this is the first video that is like going too long, and I hope that you like the content. And basically what I wanted to leave you is that be patient and maintain relations with your client. You will win. That's what I would say. And that drop justified my point. I have to check what the heck is wrong with my lights. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.